Puerto Rico has a festival that competes with Mardi Gras and Carnival in Brazil and basically any giant festival that you can think of. We're in our 30s, so our partying days are limited these days, but today we are going to trek our way through La Fiesta de la Calle San Sebastián, aka SanSe.
$5 a head right here. Taxi. I'm overstimulated.
We are currently walking to the festival. It is drizzling, but we're trying to make our way to a bar or something to wait it out. It never rains too long here in Puerto Rico.
I don't know about him, but I'm not trying to be rained on, but you know, we gotta do what we gotta do out in these streets, right, babe? Yep. If you're new to this channel, Jarrell and I moved to Puerto Rico about 3 years ago. It's funny because the first year we moved here, we kind of just stumbled onto SanSe for the first time because it was Jarrell's birthday and we were just kind of hitting the town. And when we walked into it, we were like, holy crap, what's going on? It was just so magical to see all the music, good food.
Walking through the crowd. Oh, hello. How are you doing?
I bought you guys coffee.
Oh, thank you.
So yeah, I seen you guys in YouTube and stuff.
Thank you.
People just hyped up. It was like a whole vibe, and we said from there on we're gonna be showing up every single year.
There were food vendors everywhere, which was great because walking so much, we definitely built up an appetite. We didn't get any videos of ourselves eating because literally as soon as we got our food, we basically gobbled it down.
As I was walking around and saw everybody just enjoying themselves, you got people marching in costumes, other people dancing, you see family members coming together and just enjoying themselves. It really brought me back to when I was a little kid, going out with my grandmother. We didn't have a lot, but every time there was like a parade or something going on, we would get together and we would just go and enjoy ourselves. We'd dance, we'd eat good food, we'd laugh, and that's exactly what I saw here. It's funny because that's also something Jarrell and I connect over, is the fact that we spent a lot of time with our family and we just love getting together with family and just enjoying ourselves. So it's something that we enjoy doing now, and coming to SanSe really brings that to life for me.
Speaking of family, one of our friends had a booth here. This is Michael Casio. He's actually an artist here in Puerto Rico. When you come to Puerto Rico, you will notice that there are so many artists. Like, this island has so much talent, from painters, designers, dancers, actors. You're always gonna find some amazing talent, and SanSe is the best time to see that because all the artists come out to play. After walking, I just want to give a special shout out to the people who set up the bathrooms. The bathrooms were the real MVP of SanSe. They really saved my life. I had to pee like every 5 minutes for some reason. I got cotton mouth. We're over here trying to find a drink. Got my shades on. Let's see if we can find a drink in here.
Just a quick note, if you're claustrophobic, then this festival might not be for you. But the good thing is, if you fart, you could blame it on the person beside you. Here's a quick tip. If you find yourself being like claustrophobic, then I recommend going to one of the side streets that overlook Calle San Sebastián. The good thing is the lines are usually not as long to get drinks. We got lucky and we were even able to find a place to plug our phones.
Yes, I'm charging my phone. I'm in SanSe right now still. So lit right now.
But definitely want to make sure that you keep your eyes peeled for these type of spots, because it was a game changer for us and allowed us to really be able to decompress for a minute before we got right back into the action.
I wish we got more footage, but we were just so caught up living in the moment. It was such a fun time. Anyway, we're gonna keep sharing our adventures here in Puerto Rico. Be sure to subscribe to our channel because we have a lot in store.